Tonight, I will not give you answers, or answers borrowed carry no power. An answer must rise out of you, or it is nothing. I put these questions before you because in answering, you reveal the state you truly occupy. And listen carefully, only that state and no other is what the world will mirror back to you. The morning betrays your state. Let me ask you, when you opened your eyes today, did you rise in lack or as one already supplied? As the day began, did you expect struggle or possession? In your first thought, did you bow to limitation or stand in abundance? What you touch announces who you are. So I ask you, when you handled your wallet, did you feel emptiness or plenty? As you paid out money, did you believe it diminished you or proved your wealth? Holding currency, did you sense it was scarce or flowing without end? Every deed flows from assumption. I put it to you as you ordered your coffee. Did you measure the cost or enjoy it as one already rich? When your eyes met a price, did you shrink or did you claim? Passing what you desired, did you say not yet or already mine? Fear and faith are one force, turned in opposite directions. Do you not see, when the bill appeared, did you tremble or know it was settled? As you thought of tomorrow, did worry rise or confidence? In duty, did you feel chained or empowered? The tongue betrays the state you live from. Think with me, as you spoke today, did your words echo lack or declare plenty? As you walked, was your inner speech complaint or thanksgiving? In solitude, did you replay want or abundance already attained? Creation holds only what you return to again and again. I press you, did you return today to the fulfilled end, or did you fall again into waiting and need? Before sleep, will you return once more to accomplishment? Tonight you clothe yourself for tomorrow's world. I demand of you, as you lie down, are you the beggar pleading or the heir in possession? Do you close the day rehearsing lack or claiming supply? Which self do you carry into your dreams? The one still reaching or the one already having?